Good morning, children. This is Rajesh sir teaching you mathematics. Already we have started 2.4 exercise, and some people they completed 2.3 also in the fair notes. If not completed, you please try to complete the fair notes. If any doubts you are facing in the exercise problems, you connect in the Zoom. Okay, children. In 2.4, where we stopped, up to fourth problem we stopped, right? Means third problem I explained and I gave fourth the homework. So today we'll discuss question number 5, children. So once you see the question number 5, I'll read the question. Just look into question number 5. If both x minus 2 and x minus 1 on 2 are factors of px square plus 5x plus r, then show that p is equal to r. Children, here what is given in the question? What is given? We'll write here first of all. If you want to understand solution, question is very important, children. So what he gave is x minus 2 and x minus 1 on 2. These two are factors of p of x square plus 5x plus r. So now let us take suppose f of x is equal to, I'll take as px square, what is polynomial? Px square plus 5x plus r. We are saying that x minus 2 is a factor, so he gives that x minus 2 is a factor of f of x. So whenever if x minus 2 is a factor, then what happens, children? F of here x minus 2 is equal to 0. If we equate is 0, the 0 this polynomial is x is equal to 2. So f of 2 must be equal to 0. That means you replace x by 2. So what you will do here? Next step, replace x by 2. Now wherever you see here f of x, so wherever x is there here, I'll put empty bracket here. Previously I told you, easy way. Wherever x is there here, empty bracket. Understood? Now 5 into x, empty bracket, plus r. Substitute 2, children. Right? This answer is 0. Already whenever x minus 2 factor, f of 2 must be equal to 0. Now 2 square is 4. 4 into p is 4p. What's the right number? 5 into 2 is 10 plus r is equal to 0. Or else this one you can say here 4p plus 10 plus r is equal to 0. If you want an equation here, 4b plus r is equal to minus 10. How are you? Let it be there. No need to transpose here, stop here only. 4b plus 10 plus r is equal to 0. So this x minus 2 is the factor of f of x. So we got the answer here. Again, he said that x minus 1 on 2 also a factor. So what do I get? Also x minus 1 on 2 is a factor of f of x. Children, then what happens here? F of 1 on 2. See here, minus 1 on 2 is the transpose, you will get x equal to 1 on 2. That is, his remainder will be 0 because it is a factor. So substitute, replace x is equal to 1 on 2 in the given polynomial. First of all, put empty bracket. F of x is equal to px square, empty bracket x square, empty bracket square, plus 5 into x, empty bracket, plus r. Wherever you see x, replace, sorry, I forgot to write this step here. Replace x by 1 on 2, children. Now here 1 on 2 whole square, here 1 on 2. P into 1 on 2 whole square, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. Plus 5 into 1, 5 on 2 plus r. Here this one is 0 with a factor, it is 0 the polynomial. Now p into 1 is p on 4 plus 5 on 2 plus r. Here take LCM, children. 4 is LCM, easily you can see. Now 4 as it is here, think these tables, in 4 table 4 when it comes 1 time, 1 into p as it is. Here 2 is there, in 2 table 4 when it comes 2 2s, that 2 we multiply with 5, 2 5 is there. Here 1 table, in 1 table 4 into r, 4r is equal to 0. Transfer this one. 0 into anything is 0 only, it is divided by quantity, transpose this side, it becomes into quantity. Right, children? Now what you got here? I can write like this. This is all written. P plus 10 plus 4r is equal to 0. Equation number 2. Now, in this both the equations, we have right hand side is equal. So both the equations observe carefully. Both 1 and 2, right hand side is equal. So equating 1 and 2 equations. So let us do equating 1 and 2 equations. Equating 1 and 2 equations. Right children? First equation left hand side, that is 4p plus 10 plus r, and second equation left hand side p plus 10 plus 4r. Children, now p terms together write down. One more thing, 10 gets cancelled here, or else transpose that side, it becomes minus 10. Now what's left? 4p plus r is equal to p plus 4r. If any step you are not able to understand, children, once again you watch the video and try to understand. Now p comes together, p you take together and r will transfer that side. That is 4p minus p. And what is here? 4r. Transpose plus r minus r. 4p minus p is 3p. 4r minus r is 3r. If you want transpose 3, you can transpose right hand side, becomes divided by 3. So p is equal to r. It is asking to show that p is equal to r, hence proved. In the question what is asking to prove? P is equal to r children. So we got our answer, p is equal to r. It is not a difficult problem, simple way only, differently connected. Check once again. Children, sixth one you see better. Sixth one, next problem. If x square minus 1 is a factor of ax to the power of 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e, show that a plus c plus e is equal to b plus d is equal to 0. Once again read the question, children. If x square minus 1 is a factor of ax to the power of 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e, show that a plus c plus e is equal to b plus d is equal to 0. Right children? Now children, we will do the problem here. X square minus 1 is a factor of the given polynomial is ax to the power of 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e children. Now x square minus 1 is there here. This is in the form of a square minus b square children. So by seeing this question, you can make is equal to 0, so you can make it. Both are there here. So x square minus 1 we can write is equal to 0 also we can do, or apply the formula also. Now transpose this one, what happens? X square is equal to 1, x is equal to root of 1. So x is equal to plus 1 or minus 1, because plus 1 whole square is 1 only, minus 1 square is 1 only. Now otherwise no sir, this problem we cannot understand like this. Use formula. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. That is x square minus 1 is there, I can write 1 square also. So I'll write here x plus 1 into x minus 1. Equate with 0 children. Now equate this with x plus 1 is equal to 0, x minus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 1 or x is equal to 1. So in this way also we can find here. So the problem is that we have to replace these two values in the given polynomial. Now let us take p of x. What are the polynomial given in the question now? So take as p of x. Ax to the power of 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e. First one is given x is equal to 1 take or x is equal to minus 1 take. So I am taking x is equal to 1. So when x is equal to 1, replace x by 1. So it's a factored sense. When the factored, the remainder must be equal to 0. Means p of 1 must be equal to 0. Now p of x, empty bracket. Empty bracket. A into x, x is empty bracket. P, b into x cube, empty bracket. c into x square. Wherever you see x, just put empty bracket. You can replace now. 1, everywhere you write down 1. Now 1 to the power of 4 children. No problem. 1 only. A into 1 is A. B into same again you get same. Here also 1. 1 into C is C. Here 1 into D is D plus D. This is equal to 0. Children, now we'll put hold on this one. Now we'll go for P of minus 1. Same you take here. Replace x by minus 1. Wherever you see P of x, they write down wherever you see x here, empty bracket you put same as it is. Here b into x to the power of 3x cube plus c into x square, empty bracket, d into x, empty bracket, plus replace better, minus 1. Okay? If I am going fast, you please understand the video once again, you play and you watch it. Minus 1 whole square whole to the power of 4 is 1 only. This is not plus 1 because minus 1. Odd powers are there. This you will get plus 1 only. D into minus 1 as we said over here. Next time we multiply. A into 1, A, very good. Plus into minus is minus, B into 1 is B. Plus C into 1 is what? C. D plus into minus, D into 1 is D. Plus E is equal to 0. Now do one thing children. Here a small thing I would like to do. I will keep positive terms here only. Here are positive terms. Negative terms should take side. Minus b is there, becomes plus d. Minus d is there, transpose. A plus c plus e. This is equation number 1. We have to prove a plus c plus c is equal to b plus d is equal to 0. But we got now a plus c plus c is equal to b plus d. Do one thing. Take the second equation. Previously we got here now. These are first thing you take. Now what to do? Replace second equation. Means take equation 1. Once take my first equation. What is the here? 0 is equal to a plus b plus c plus d plus e. Now I'll write like this. This I am arranging. I am not transposing anything but arranging here. A, C, E together ready. B plus D I am ready together. From the equation number 2, A plus C plus C is nothing but what? B plus D. So I will replace this value as B plus D. If you want a conclusion here, write down here from equation number 2. B plus D, B plus D. You will get 2B plus 2D. 2B plus 2D get 0. Take common, 2 into B plus D is equal to 0. Transpose children. Transpose it, that is 0 on 2 is equal to b plus d, or else b plus d is equal to 0. 0 on anything is 0 children. Now you see once from second equation, a plus c plus c is equal to b plus d. Update here. Therefore a plus c plus is what here? B plus d. Now b plus d what you got here is equal to 0. Understood children? Once you go through it, children, 7th bit we'll discuss later. 8th is the homework. You try as the 6th question. Now 9th problem I am saying children. 9th problem, if x square minus x minus 6 and x square plus 3x minus 18 have a common factor x minus a, then find the value of a. Children, once again, if x square minus x minus 6 and x square plus 3x minus 18 have a common factor x minus a, then find the value of a. Children, here we have two polynomials. So let us do one thing. Let us take one is f of x, first one, that is x square minus x minus 6, and next one g of x. not given the question, we can name it. X square plus 3x minus 18. Now these both have common factor. For this both polynomials f of x and g of x have common factor. That is what? X minus a. Now if x minus a is equal to 0, x minus a you have to make it equal to 0, then what happens? X is equal to a children. So x value will be a, that means f of a must be equal to 0. F of a must be equal to 0. Now replace the value x by a, means you replace x by a in both the polynomials. F of x also you replace, g of x also you replace. So we'll do side by side, understand carefully. F of empty bracket, don't forget confused. Wherever you see empty bracket take. Now replace wherever x is there here, replace a children. Right? Now a square minus a minus 6. Now okay, now go for b of f of g of a. G of a also same thing again. This one. Replace wherever x here, same thing, because both have common factor. Both common factors are there since. Now here also a, replace it. Right, what will you get? A square plus 3a minus 18. This is g of a. He is saying that both have common factors. So both this one, f of a is also factored, that is 0. A square minus a minus 6. This is also 0. A square plus 3a minus 18. Equation number 1, equation number 2. Don't get confused children, understand carefully. Now, this both equations will equal them. Only see left hand side are equal. Left hand side are equal. So make right hand side to be equal. That is equating 1 and 2. Equating 1 and 2 equations. Right children? In the first equation, what is RHS? A square minus a minus 6. In next equation, right hand side is a square plus 3a minus 18. Children, a square common is in the both sides. We may get cancelled here. We can cancel them. Or transpose and cancel. What's remain? Minus a minus 6 is equal to 3a minus 18. Transpose a terms together and constants together. Carefully write down minus as it is here plus 3a transpose minus 3a. Here minus 18 as it is minus 6 transpose it plus 6. Okay children? Now minus a minus 3a means minus 1a minus 3a, that is minus 4a. Minus 18 plus 6 children. If there is one negative number, subtract it. Big number will put. Both gets cancelled. A is equal to 12 on 4. Cancel it. 4 ones, 4 threes. A is equal to 3. Don't get confused here. We taken right answer of first equation and right answer of second equation. A square gets cancelled. Now transpose. What is remaining right now first of all? While transposing, check carefully. This is here only. We are transposing 3a to left hand side because minus 3a. And here minus 18 as it is. Transpose now this one. Some people what they'll do, first only will transpose the right hand side. It's a wrong method children. What's left in the right hand side, that you copy, then you transpose from the left hand side. So you'll get the correct answer. Check once. Children, check once. Check the problem and ninth problem you do homework sir. 10th problem do homework children. Your homeworks are okay. Try to copy the problem and complete the exercise also. 7th bit we'll discuss in the next exercise problems. Okay children, take care. Thank you.
Good morning students. As you know everyone, my name is Shravan Kumar. I am going to teach you Mathematics class 9 real number. We completed up to 8th bit. Now I am going to start 9th problem. See that, try to focus on 9th problem here is, what is the 9th problem? Simplify 8 into third order of 343 plus 15 into fifth order of 32 plus under root 225. Right? So we need to simplify this problem. So now, before that, let me write the question. Fourth order of 81 minus 8 into third order of 343 plus 15 into fifth order of 32 plus under root 225. This is the question. See that individually we do for prime factors for 81, 343, 32, 225. See, if you do individually for all, you will get the answer. Let me write here the 81 prime factorization. Let's take three tables. Prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. So for all I am doing it. See, 3 2s are 6, right? How much left? 2. So 3 7s are 21. Next 3 9s are. Next 3 3s are. So 81 you can write it as a 3 to the power of 4 you can write. Then similarly 343. See 343. If you take it 7 table, that is a possible or not? 7 table. 7 4s are 28. 28 means how much left? 6. 7 9s are 63. Again 7 7s are 49. So 343 you can write it as a 7 to the power of the next 32. For all I am applying prime factorization method only. That's why I am writing. Here let me take 2 tables. 2 1s are 2. 1 carry. 2 6s are 2. 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. So 32 you can write it as a 2 to the power of 5. Right or not? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next 25. The last it is 5, right? We can take 5 table. 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are. Yes or not? So again you will get 5 9s are 45. Again 3 3s are. These are the prime numbers only. This should be prime numbers. So 225 you can write it as a 5 square into 3 square. See that powers are same. So you can multiply the bases. 5 into 3 whole square. 5 3s are 15 whole square. Yes or not? Then see here is, so what I have to do, these are all values I need to substitute in this. So let me write that clearly here in this. Fourth order of 81. What is the 81 is? 3 to the power of 4. 81 will take 3 to the power of 4 or not? Minus 8. So third order of, you can write it as a 7 to the power of 3. Yes. Then 15 and you will write fifth order, right? So this is, you can write it as a fifth order of 2 to the power of 5. Then plus 225. You can write it as a 15 square. Square root get cancelled. Here order are same. Here 5. Here is get cancelled. Here 3 and orders are same. That's why I am cancelled. Suppose here is a 2. Here is a 3. You cannot cancel. Order is not different. Here is the power 4. Here order is 4. So you can cancel. So now here you can get it as a this value 3 minus 8. This value is 7 and plus 15. This value is 2 plus this is the 15. So let me write now that only again you are understanding purpose. 3 minus 8 into 7 plus 15 into 2 plus 15. So 3 minus 8 3s are, sorry, 8 7s are 56. So 15 2s are 30 plus 15. See, plus symbols adding. So what you will get? 30 plus 15, 45, 45 plus 3, 48 minus 56. So if you subtract, what you will get here is, so from bigger you need to subtract, right? So 46 minus 48, what you will get is a 8. So but which is the greater? 56 the greater. So minus 8 is the given answer. Try to focus on it once. The 10th problem. What is the 10th problem? If small a and small b are rational numbers, find the value of small a and small b in each of the following. Following equation. It was mentioned here the equations. So, what the first problem here is the first problem. I would like to explain the second problem. First one will be the homework. Root 5 plus root 3 upon 2 root 5 minus 3 root 3 is equals to a minus b under root 15. Means from this you need to compare both the equations. Here is the equal symbol is given, right? That's why this is called as equation. So this a and b value we need to find out. So here is the we need to do the rationalizing the denominator for this one. LHS. So root 5 plus root 3 upon 2 root 5 minus 3 root 3. This is what you are writing. Rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator. So what is the rationalize the denominator? I told you that conjugate of 2 root 5 minus 3 root 3. What is the conjugate of this value? 2 root 5 plus 3 root 3. This is 2 root 5 plus 3 root 3. We need to multiply and divide further. So root 5 plus root 3 upon 2 root 5 minus 3 root 3 into, we are multiplying and dividing the conjugate value of this. 2 root 5 plus 3 root 3 upon 2 root 5 plus 3 root 3. So this value we need to multiply. Numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. So here is right. Root 5 plus root 3 into root 5 plus root 3 into 2 root 5 plus 3 root 3 by 2 root 5 minus 3 root 3 into 2 root 5 plus 3 root 3. Right? See, I told you clearly we need to multiply 5 root 5 into 2 root 5. What the value will get? I told you clearly this is the right. It's nothing but you imagine it's a 1 into 2 2. Why? Because these are the similar surds, means both are the values root 5 root 5. So that's why you can multiply, right? So 2 root 5. The next again. So now this is, see, here it also similar surd. Similar surds is nothing but the order. This order is 2, this order is 2. That's why we can multiply. So 1 3s are 3 with symbol plus into plus plus 1 3s are 3 and the root 5 into 3. Is it okay? Now here this into this. So now plus, this is nothing but 1 only, you have to imagine it. 1 2s are 2, okay, 3 into 5, let me write 3 into 5. The next, plus into plus, plus 1 into 3, under root 3 into 3. So let me write 3 into 3 only. Maybe get cancelled. Now, so many times I told you clearly that this is imaginary, it is the A and this is the B. This is the A and this is the B. See, same, 2 root 5, 2 root 5, 3 root 3, 3 root 3. So A minus B into A plus B. We know that. What's the formula? A minus B into A plus B. You can write it as A square minus B square. So because of that, 2 root 5 whole square minus 3 root 3 whole square. Now let me write this. 2 root 5 plus 3 root 15. 5 is 15 plus 2 root 3 5 is 15 plus 3. This is, you can cancel it. 3 square you can write. 2 times are there or not? So square root get cancelled. I am going to cancel. Now this is very important. You might get confusion. This square should apply for this rational and this number also 2 and this 5 also. So let me write 2 square and root 5 whole square minus 3 square and root 3 whole square. Let me put the big bracket separately. Right? Now observe it. Here is the one thing is that I would like to tell you. The square root get cancelled. So here is root 5 into root 5. Root 5 whole square. I forget to tell you this. So that's why let me write here is square. Square will get cancelled. So what you will get? 2 5s are 10 plus. Here observe it. So root 15 both common is it. So you can take the common. So root 15 if you take the common. So what you will get? 3 plus 2. Then this value will be 3 into 3. Now 2 2s are 4. The square will get cancelled. 5 and minus 9 square will get cancelled. It is the 5. So try to focus on it. This problem is not finished yet. So this problem is very important. It will come in examination always. So the next step is, as it is I am writing 10 plus root 15 into 3 plus 2. I am writing as this step. I am not writing next step. 3 into 3 upon. So 4 into 5 minus 9 into 5. See, this is the 10. This is the 3 3s are 9, right? So 10 plus this you can add it 5 root 5 you can add root 15. So this is the 9 by 5 4s are 20. 9 5s are 40. Right? So these two are rational number, you can add it. 19 plus 5 root 15 by what you will 20 minus 45 minus 25. Let me write individually now. 19 by minus 25 plus 5 root 15. 15 this is 15 by minus 25. See, if you have the chance of cancellation, you can do the cancellation also. 5 1s are 5 5s are. We already I told you, it is in your previous classes you learned. If the denominator is a negative, the whole number also it is a negative. So minus 19 by 25. This is also a negative, so it is also would be the minus. So what you will write here is 15 by 5. Right? This is you need to compare with A minus B. See clearly this is, let me write minus 19 by 25 minus this is I can write as a 1 by 5 into root 15 also you can write it. So similarly I am writing clearly A minus B root 15. See that I am comparing, this is the A value. You have minus, this is the minus, this is the b value. This is the b value. From this you can write a is equals to minus 19 by 25 and the b is equals to 1 by 5, not minus 1 by 5. So this is the answer. So try to concentrate on it. So next I will go for 11th problem. I am going to explain last problem in the chapter. Find the square root of 11 plus 2 root 30. We need to find out the square root of this one. See that the square root of this. Let me write the question. 11 plus 2 root 30. The square root of the square root of 11 plus 2 root 30. You can write it as a under root square root or not. So here is how can you write it is you can write 11 plus 2 root 30. This 30 you can write it as a 6 5s are 30. Can you write it or not? One thing again, if you add 6 plus 5 also 11, right? So 6 5s are 30. You can write it 6 plus 5 is equals to 11. You can write. So this let me write is 11. You can write it as a 6 plus 5 is 2 as it is I am writing. This is I can write it as a 6 into 5. Here is the bracket for your understanding purpose. So here is the one formula is there. Let me write the formula. You can remember it. So under root a plus b plus 2 sub under root ab is equals to you can read it as a root a plus root b. This is the formula. Already I told you, you have to remember it. So according to this, what is the square root of this answer is? So compare clearly. If you compare these two also is enough. A is 6, B is 5. So 2 under root A is 6, B is 5. So answer of the square root of this answer is what? Root 6 plus root 5. Yes or not? So this is the problem. You try to understand it. I hope so. So here is now the homework I given. What are the homework I given to you? I given only one problem. That is the homework. The homework is 10th bit exercise 1.4 10th bit first problem. First problem is the homework. So now the chapter is completed. You try to maintain the classwork and I hope you complete the homework. Thank you very much.